Hey, as a cleaning owner, either that's beginning or you've been in the industry for a long time, one of the biggest things that we've heard from consulting and helping cleaning owners, generate prospecting systems so they can generate their own leads, so they don't have to worry about all these pay-per-lead companies and marketing companies every single month. They know they have the knowledge to be able to generate their own leads. So that's what we help them do. So if you want to do that, just click some link below. But I wanted to talk to you about the purpose of this video, and I'm actually going to bring you onto my computer and help you out, right? So if you're a new business owner or you've been in the industry for a long time, you've probably tried handing out flyers or handing out business cards. And 9 out of 10 people that we specifically talk to tell us it doesn't work, which I'm not going to sit here and tell you, oh, it's the best thing to do, but you can make it work. Something that I've been able to do and help my clients do, and actually put it inside our Facebook group. If you want to join a free Facebook group with other cleaning owners as well, I'll leave a link down there below as well. Get in there, learn. I go live literally every other day, and then one main live on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern, going over ways for you to grow your cleaning business. But this video specifically, I wanted to break down this one thing you need to start doing if you want your flyers or your business card to actually convert into paying client. Do this, watch this video so you don't make the same mistake all the other cleaning companies do, right? Ooh, let's go. We're live. What's going on, Scale My Cleaning Business family? Just wanted to pop on here before I take a little break and just wanted to go live because the last few days I've talked to a lot of cleaning owners and they've been asking me for advice. Either it's like, hey, how should I continue prospecting? How can I develop more prospecting engine? Hey, man, I'm new. I wanted to hand out flyers and business cards. Like, how should I do it? I'm like, well, a lot of people, I'm actually going to use the whiteboard in the back to draw an example for you guys to see exactly, how to hand out your flyers or your business card with the end goal of actually getting a call and actually turning a card that you hand out, a relationship that you having right there, into actual business. Because if you think just getting a business card, I think I have a business card right here. So I'll pull up a business card that this is a company that Alex and I used to run prior to COVID, and it's called Spasperity, where we help pretty much salon owners get more opportunities for their business, right? Generating people through the door. We still have it. We still have a couple clients as well, but this is the card that we have, right? And in the back, it's just, social media stuff that we primarily put, like our Instagram, Facebook, phone number, stuff like that. It's a very neat card. We actually paid somebody to actually design it for us. But when it comes to designing your business cards, when you give somebody this and say, hey, my name is Ben, let me know if you need help with X, okay? Here it is. 9 out of 10 times, this card is going into the trash, or this card is going in their back pocket into their laundry and getting soaked, and also, it can potentially ruin their clothes, and now they're going to call you and, sue you because your card ruined their clothes. I'm just kidding. But the factor of just giving out a card and saying, hey, call me, you're like every other person. What you have to add onto your card that is actually going to make handing out cards and flyers effective is actually not putting it on your card because you don't want to run the same promotion. And yes, I need you to run a promotion. If you want a new client through the door, you have to give them an offer they cannot say no to, okay? So for instance, when working with us as a private client, one of our offers that we have right now is 10 commercial opportunities within under 30 days when working with us. And, that's a program that we have. But here's the thing, that's an offer people can't say no to. Hey, man, how can you generate 10 commercial opportunities for my business in under 30 days? Well, come, talk to me. I'll give you a little bit more details. Right? It causes people to be like, how? That offer is so good. I need to know how, right? So you need to give somebody an offer that is so good that they cannot resist on the business card that you have here. And do not, print out one with an offer. Actually, just get a pen or a Sharpie. Highly suggest not to print your cards in black. This was like last year when we print this, but if I were to go back, I would print this in white, leave a corner. So, design my card like this is a perfect design. Logo, name, maybe you add a little bit of a picture or like what you do on the side or on the back, but you want to leave a corner open. And what you want to do is literally write a promotion. Hey, 20% off new clients ASAP, or January promotion 20% off. Like, write something that is going to get that person to act today. All right, you hand this flyer to one of your clients, and let's just say this is a beautiful, like, whoever's on this live right now, you guys are getting all the juice. You ready? You clean a client's property or home. After that, don't just give them a business card and say, go refer me. Right on there, say 10% off your next cleaning if you refer me a client on the business card, handwritten, hand it to them and say, hey, thanks, I'm looking forward to cleaning your home again. If you know anybody that would need cleaning, take this business card and let me know. And that literally says 10% off your next cleaning if you refer me to somebody. You're giving them an offer that if they want to call you again, which they will if you're doing a great job, not only that, but they're going to refer you to people to get that 10% off or 20% off, right? You have to understand how to continue to get clients. Like, don't just go in and do one-time cleaning and call it a day. You have to understand there's a process to everything to be able to grow your business. It's not as easy as going in, cleaning, and then peace out. It's going in, cleaning, delivering on what you promised to the client, and then giving them an offer to refer you to more people so you can build another prospecting engine, another prospecting lead generation avenue, which is referral, a walking referral, right? So I would take my business card. So I'm actually going to draw it on the board for you guys to see right here. Okay, so let's just say this is your business card. I'm not a graphic designer, okay? I'm not a graphic designer, but your logo would go here. Okay, this is your logo. Hopefully you guys can see. And your business name right here. Okay, business name. Maybe a couple more things over here, depending on how you want to design. And then on this side right here, this is where you write an offer for your client. If it's a new client that you never cleaned their home before, give an offer to them. Hey, listen, here's a business card. Thanks, I'm looking to clean your home. It's 20% off the first cleaning in January. Give them urgency so they can call you this month. In January, give me a phone call, okay? You give that to them, they go, okay, cool. Now that you give them an offer, right, they're not going to put it in the trash. You're like, okay, cool, maybe I'll need to get my house cleaned in January. Let me give this person a call. So they take it and they actually put it somewhere they can remember. Maybe they snap a photo, right? This is coming from, if somebody were to come to me and give me a card and say, hey, call me, I'm like, cool, back pocket, because I got like 17 of them. But if somebody came up to me and said, here's my card with a promotion, with a offer that if I get my house cleaned first time is 20% off, I am not throwing that away. I'm like, oh, well, I got 10 cards from all these cleaning companies telling me to call them, and this person gave me a 20% off first cleaning. I'm going to call them. I'm going to remember them, right? So that's the point of the offer. And you just handwrite it, right? Handwritten, right? On the card, your offer right here. And also, like I talked about, if it's a client that you're cleaning right now and you're done cleaning and you want referrals, you want to, get continual business, hey, 10% off 10% off your cleaning if you refer me to a friend that needs cleaning as well. And here's the thing. If somebody pays for cleaning, they know somebody else that needs cleaning. If a property manager that you just connected with, right? If a property manager that you just connected with hired you to clean his property, right? Your first instinct when it comes to business is ask that person if they know any other property managers, just because they do. They know each other. They go out for a cup of coffee. That property manager knows this property manager, right? This cleaning company knows this cleaning owner, etc. Like, it's a connection, right? When you're a property manager, you'll know more people. If not, they can refer you to more business. Guys, don't be afraid to ask. I was on a call with one of our group members in here, and he closed $500 worth of deals, I think in under 7 hours over the weekend for residential cleaning. I didn't ask him, how he did that, but my main thing is he just asked for business. He just said, hey, can I have your business? Okay, so make sure on your card, for people who are just joining,